Hello and welcome to Eating Like a Student, in which I show off my non-student-y meals. So I got some reduced sausages, put some bacon with that because pigs, and it's just on some garlic of olive oil. So I went to Waitrose and they've got these fancy mushrooms. They were reduced to £2, so I figured mushrooms, pork and cream. So I've also got some normal mushrooms to bulk it up. They were also reduced because that's how you live life. And I'm going to have it with some mash. So I'm just going to show you the process.
Shrimp are also kind of wet.
Okay, it's just been bubbling away for about 10 minutes. Sorry, hands are hard to use when you have one of them alone. No. Sorry, ow. Lid hot. Okay, in we make it a bit more creamy. Realistically, I probably should have got more cream, but this cream was reduced. So that's the amount we have. Creamy finger. Okay, swapping over hands. Don't know why I was using my non-dominant hand. It's gonna get like a oil film. Maybe you should put it at a lower temperature because of the cream, but I'm fine with it. It tastes good. And get a bowl. I'm gonna say, as a normal human being, you should probably have this with some sort of a carb. Mash, maybe. But my mash is defrosting, so I'm hungry now. One sausage in a phallic position. More. I could have probably fit more mushrooms in there, looking at it. And I probably will just plop some more mushrooms in. So I'll see you back in the room and have a taste test. Happy little mushrooms. So the residual heat from underneath will kind of just, I should probably put them down so that they'll be cooked by the sauce, but plop some extras in there so you got more for the next meal. Though I would recommend just chopping them. It's probably a better idea. But lid on, seals the heat in, seals the moist in, and just turn it off. And back to the room for taste test, I say again. It took far too long to set this up, so it's not that cold. Okay, first of all, the most important thing, I think, the broth. So, broth. So it's essentially just cream and OXO cubes and flavour. And it tastes good to me. Like, I think this would be a good kind of like vegetable-y, mushroomy gravy to have with rice or something. And then you've just got the extra bonus of meat and mushroom if you like mushrooms. Mushroom tastes good. Let's see one of these fancy mushrooms. I think it has shiitake and others. Not off the top of my head. I'll add that in. But weird lumpy mushroom. I think it's really good. It's much firmer than the other mushrooms, the normal mushrooms, and delicious. It's kind of like, you know it's a mushroom, it tastes like a mushroom, but it has a different texture and like woodiness than one of these big boys. Okay, and that one had a much firmer base, you know, the bottom of the and then the cap's kind of more spongy and soft. Let's see if I can find... There was another mushroom, there was a brown one. I think this is one. That might have been just what the last one was. This one, the one with the brown top. That's my favourite. But you know, it tastes like a mushroom. So if you like mushrooms, it'll taste good. And have we somehow ruined the sausage with this delicious combination? Ooh, that's really good. This is a really cheap sausage, like the kind of sausages I don't really like, not like meaty. And it just kind of just absorbed the mushroominess. So I think this is a win, given that it was entirely made out of reduced items that just happened to be on sale. This is how I like cooking. Just no idea what I'm doing, but having a good time. I think the OXO cubes are the only thing, because even the garlic olive oil I got like 50p off on a co-op voucher. So experiment, have fun, try this out. Thank you for coming in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
As you see, it's low there.
Oh, bye.
Low down the tree. Yeah, it's just
Good.
has a long tail.
It's got a long tail.
I got a good video of it.
Yeah.
Of it moving.